Oh, it's a cold one again today, damn it. Alright. Just warm enough to do some caulking. Caulking. Alright. Happy birthday to Taurus. Okay, today feeling a little better today. We're gonna get to completing these doors, or as close as I can, and then I'm gonna drive and pick up the wood for the and insulation for the floor. So I'm putting the bottom strip on right now, making sure it fits, and then I will take it off and paint it, or sand it and paint it. And so that's what we're doing right now. I did purchase a Harbor Freight Hercules 10-inch table saw and made my first cut, and wow, I'll tell you what a difference that makes. It's pretty damn awesome. I'm happy to have it. So it makes really nice, smooth cuts, and I haven't had one in my whole life. The last time I used the table saw was in high school shop class. So very nice to have, and it should make a nice difference for the cabinets and things that I'm doing on the inside. So okay, well, we'll get to getting this started. Let's see, don't have a very good tripod right now, but I'll just put some screws in here and then position the lock latch and drill that. Then I'll take it off. Still a little wet, but whatever. I'm gonna repaint it again anyway, or cover it up with rubber. So let's see what we can do here. All right, I'm sitting on a toilet seat. Very fitting. All right. Well, good morning, everyone. It's time to get back to work. Little Phoebe's ready to play. Yeah. Ready? Get it. Well, that was the end of the playing. Come here. Get it. What is it? Oh, no. Hi. All right. Well, let's get out there. We did a little rearranging. Not done cleaning the garage yet, but better workspace for me. And we got our delicious tea, chai spice tea from Stash. It's delicious. All right, well, let's get to it. All right, so I got a new lock, and Well, since I broke the camera in the last episode, I had to order new lens guards for the Insta360, and I brought out the big gun tripod now so it doesn't blow over in the wind. And we're going to be switching over to the Insta360, and so we'll be using that while I'm working on the floors. So I'm going to go in there now and sweep it up, and then start scraping down the caulk or sealant, whatever it is, on the inside the floor of the truck around it, and then we will reseal it. So that's what I'm gonna start working on now. Alright, so now we're going to, we got it vacuumed out. Now we're going to put some of the Sikaflex 221 on and seal up the edges here. So I got the sealant all the way around. Now what I'm going to be doing is installing a strip of wood here as a, well, nailer or whatever for the plywood that's going to go over the top of the insulation. Well, I have to measure the placement of my bed so that I know where my wall will be. And that's where I'm going to put my next piece of plywood to, so that the bed wall can hold down the seam of the piece of plywood. And so I will do that then. Okay, so everything is glued down, the insulation, the new subfloor, plywood is down. I'm going to put a couple weights on the seam there and let it go for the night. We christened the box truck with dog hair, and now we got some of that on the floor, and that's about it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. The next thing we're going to do that's coming up in the next video is going to be putting in some windows, I believe, and that should be it. So tune in next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.